In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find tutorials inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and enter the main dashboard. Once you're inside the app, look around the dashboard for the Tutorials section or Tutorial Access button. Just look for the small question mark button to open up Tutorials. Artistly provides a large collection of training videos and walkthroughs for different tools and features inside the platform. When you open the Tutorials area, you'll find step-by-step videos covering things like AI image generation, storybooks, mockups, consistent characters, AI design tools, and many more features available in Artistly. You can simply click any tutorial video and start learning how to use that specific feature. Artistly also updates its tutorials whenever new features or major updates are added to the platform. And that's it. That's how you find tutorials inside the Artistly app. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.